Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top data analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think we're making a big WXY pattern, and I still think this is going to go up and make the wave C of wave Y, which should take it up and most likely take out these previous highs. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this first post up as a wave 1, probably a wave 1 of C. 1, 2, 3 waves down, I still think this is a wave 2. I still personally think this is eventually going to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a wave 5, which should be a wave C of wave Y. So keeping all that in mind, let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this is a downtrend wave A. I still think this is 3 waves up wave B. This is more 3 waves down right now, but it definitely could be a 4 and a 5 and then go up like that. Or possibly it just made a 3 wave C and maybe, just maybe, it just keeps on trending up from here. Either way, whether it makes an ABC of 4 and then goes down again, or whether it makes a trend reversal, we definitely should be able to tell the difference, especially on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely got that 3, 4, 5 shape that you see at pretty much the end of every trend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down, right at a Fibonacci level. I do think this is going to go up. I do think we're going to get a break of structure, and I think there's a good likelihood that it could even turn into a trend reversal. Now, if it does turn into an ABC correction, we should better recognize that, and we should better exit our longs and go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I do think it is going to go up and break structure, and I think this is going to be all one trend, which should be a wave A or a wave 1. Then we should see a pullback probably shortly after the structure break for either a wave B or a wave 2. Then if it goes up and makes a wave C, it would probably look like that, and we would exit our longs and go short for the continuation of the downtrend. If it goes up and makes a wave 3, which would be higher highs, higher lows, then we'll just hold on to our longs and just enjoy the profits and let the profits roll in a big old wave 3, and that definitely would confirm the end of a wave 2 on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and access to the swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.